Well, in yesterday's session, we discussed about the meaning of Oracle, application, and financials. So in today's session, I'll walk through the course curriculum, the detailed course curriculum, what we are going to learn from this entire course. Along with the course, what are the areas you learn as a part of real time when we work for any company? So as a part of project, what would be our job and what type of projects should be there? And along with this financials application as a part of this course, what you would learn, we will discuss those points. Once we are done with that, we'll talk about what is the meaning of fusion and what is the meaning of cloud. And still, if time permits, we'll connect to the system and we'll do something. So first I'll walk through the course curriculum. So this is a detailed course curriculum, what we are going to learn as a part of this training program. As we discussed earlier, these are the primary applications, the 5 applications: general ledger, accounts payables, receivables, cash management, fixed assets. Along with those 5, we are going to learn fusion expense and tax. As a part of supply chain management, these applications we are going to learn to understand the business processes, how the business takes place in terms of procuring something and paying, and selling something and collecting the payments. There are 2 cycles which we call as P2P and O2C. Here we'll get big picture about the finance and the supply chain management application business processes. Along with that, these are the different concepts. Okay, these are the different concepts which we just walk through, and the reporting and data conversions. So these are the other areas which we are going to learn. If we look at the detailed course curriculum as a part of general ledger application, these are the basic setups we have to complete. I'm talking about basic. Many setups we have to do based on the concepts. These are the different concepts. When we work on these concepts, many concepts require the additional configuration in the system. We'll discuss and we'll do in the system and we'll go through the process. And when we talk about Oracle Fusion Accounts Payables, to implement that, these are the different setups we have to perform in the system. Once the setups are ready, these are the different concepts which we will discuss and we'll create the solution accordingly. We can perform the transactions. And as a part of receivables, these are the setups we have to complete, and these are the different concepts we are going to handle as a part of receivables application. And cash management, these are the basic setups, and we'll see these processes. And fixed assets, the configuration and the concepts. And expense, fusion expense setups and process. Tax setups and process. And P2P cycle setups, or you can say configuration and business process. And O2C cycle setups and business process. Along with that, from FSM, what we are going to learn, these are the detailed course curriculum, what exactly we are going to learn from these classes. So this is a detailed course curriculum. You can get the same from our team. Okay, you can keep in touch with our team. They can share the same course curriculum and you may go through this curriculum. So along with this is all about learning about fusion financials. Once you're done with this course, if you join some company to work as a finance consultant, there you see the real time. But to get a job, you should be aware of real time, how projects can be handled. And that relevant discussions, here you could see the real time, how the real-time implementation takes place, the complete process, support project, how the support process can be managed, what would be our role, others' role, and how the upgrade, what is the meaning of upgrade projects, how those can be handled, rollout projects, and what are the documentation we create as a part of project, what are the different methodologies we use as a part of implementation, the respect to interview, you can just understand how you have to prepare for an interview, and we can help you by providing the profile. And if you are looking for any certification, yes, we can help you on this. So by including all these topics, I created in the sense, I took the classes for the people with 15 hours, 1-5. So those videos you will get, okay, those are very much explained, very detailed videos. When you go through that, it would be very, very clear. The 15 hours real-time learning videos you get. The entire course will have a live classes. So everything we'll discuss and we'll do in the system, we'll test and we'll understand. Apart from that, the real time, I took the classes, those classes videos you will get. From that, you can learn the detailed real-time related implementation process, documentation, and whatever would be part of real-time projects, that content you can learn. That's more than enough. One part is you are going to learn Fusion Financials. Other part is you are going to learn how the things can be managed in the real time. So these both will help you to crack the interview and to survive once you get into the job. So this is how it will work. Now we'll see. So what is the meaning of Fusion? Here the course we discussed Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials. We are clear about what is the meaning of Oracle. We discussed what is the meaning of application and what does that mean by financials. The two terms are left, Fusion and cloud. Now let's talk about Fusion. What is the meaning of Fusion? If you look at that English term, what is the meaning of Fusion? Fusion means the collection. Okay, collection, a combination. Here, what is referred as a collection or combination? So, like Oracle, there are many products in the market which can be used by companies. Okay, which can be used by companies. Here you can take like Oracle, there are many products. So we have Oracle applications in the same way, PeopleSoft applications we have in the market. JDE means JD AdWords application, Siebel application, Primavera applications, Hyperion application, and SAP applications. Okay, many applications we have. When you talk about Oracle, from Oracle we have all the solutions. Within the Oracle we have financials, SCM, supply chain management, HCM, project portfolio management, procurement, reporting. If you take example of SAP, in SAP also we have all this. If you take PeopleSoft, in PeopleSoft also you have most of the applications. If you take JD, in JD also we have most of the applications. But for any company wants to use these applications for their business, the big question is they have to choose which product. Should they go with Oracle company or PeopleSoft or JD, Siebel or SAP? That is a big question. Now the point is, reality is all are not very good in any one of these applications. You take Oracle. In Oracle we have all this, but in Oracle only finance is very, very good. And if you talk about HCM, we have HCM in Oracle, but HCM is not good from Oracle. In PeopleSoft, HCM is good, human capital management. If you talk about SCM and procurement, SCM procurement solutions we have from Oracle, but those are not so great. The SCM and procurement solutions are good from JDE. And if you talk about CRM, from Oracle side, CRM solution is available, but when you compare Oracle CRM with the Siebel, Siebel is really good. And when you talk about reporting solutions we have in Oracle and many other applications, but very famous for reporting tool is Hyperion, reporting, budgeting and all. And projects, very famous from Primavera. Even if you have a project solution from Oracle and other, but Primavera project scheduling and all, it's very famous. And when you talk about SAP, SAP is famous for SD, sales and distribution, which is equal to SCM. If you talk about finance, finance is always good from Oracle only. Okay, there is no other application which can beat the finance which we have in Oracle. Now, after cloud, okay, we'll understand what is a cloud and how it evolve. We'll discuss. Let's talk about these points. These are the different products are available in the market, and from these products, these are the specializations. Specializations means those are really doing well. There are many other solutions, but these are very famous. Now you tell me if any company wants to use all these, say XYZ company needs solution for all these applications. Now they have to choose which product, which is solution from which product. They have to, for finance, they have to go for Oracle. Supply chain management, they have to go for JDE. For HCM, they have to choose PeopleSoft. Projects, Primavera. Procurement, maybe here. Reporting, Hyperion. And CRM, Siebel. Yes, they can pick. If those are something items like laptop and mobile car, you can go and buy from the different brands. The purpose is totally different. But here, the purpose is not different. The purpose is only one, managing the company business data. Which business data? It may be finance or people or material, etc. Doesn't matter. It's all about company business data. So it is not easy taking different solutions from the different companies and using for one organization. That is the reason companies never show interest to pick finance from Oracle, HCM from PeopleSoft, Siebel from CRM from Siebel, and projects from Primavera, SD from SAP. They can use, but it will create big challenge. They have to take the license from all these companies. They should have experts from all these products, and these applications they have to connect. They have to integrate. They have to connect for communication purpose. How business happens, accordingly they have to connect and they have to use. There will be huge challenges. That is the reason most of the companies, what they do is, if their business process primarily belongs to finance, which is a finance is good in which product? Oracle. They'll choose Oracle. From Oracle only they use HCM, CRM and other solutions. If they are more into supply chain management, they may go with SAP. If from SAP, SD is good, they can use it. Or they can go with the JDE. They can use, along with that, they take finance, etc. from same JDE or SAP. If their primary business is human resource management, they take PeopleSoft solution. Along with that, they need finance and other solutions. They can take from PeopleSoft. So this is what is their core area. Accordingly, they choose the product. But if any company is looking for the solution for all these areas, the best, there is no solution. There is no solution. By understanding this, what Oracle did is, Oracle acquired all these products except SAP. Oracle is anyway their own product. PeopleSoft company they acquired, JD Edwards they acquired, Siebel they acquired, Hyperion they acquired, Primavera they acquired, they purchased. Not only this, there are many other applications and many technologies also Oracle acquired. Now what they did is, they selected all these which are best from the different products. By selecting all these, they build the product called as Fusion. Okay. If any company is going to use Fusion, within the Fusion, finance from Oracle, HCM from PeopleSoft, SCM is from JDE, and CRM solution from Siebel, reporting from Hyperion, projects from Primavera. Everything is best which are available in the market. But everything you see as a Fusion only. You don't see PeopleSoft, HCM, JD Edwards, SCM, Siebel, CRM. Everything you can call as Fusion. All you call as Oracle. Since Oracle purchased, we have to forget those names. They named it as Oracle Financials, Oracle HCM, Oracle SCM, Oracle CRM, Oracle Reporting under projects, etc. Everything are owned by Oracle now. Now these all solutions are Oracle solutions. If any company is going to use Fusion, they are going to get the best solutions which are available in the market. This is the meaning of Fusion. Okay, so this is how Oracle Fusion became very, very powerful. You take any other applications, if you compare with the Fusion, they are not so great. Those were great in the past. You take SAP, it was great. Now I could see few clients are moving from SAP to Oracle Fusion. Okay, 2 days back I had a discussion. There is a requirement. The client from the Saudi, they are moving from SAP to Fusion. Before Oracle Fusion Cloud, people were moving from Oracle to SAP. Oracle to SAP, there were many clients who moved. After this Fusion, clients started moving from SAP to Fusion. This is what happening in the market. So this is all about the meaning of Fusion. Any questions here, please?
Yeah, one question from my side. Why SAP is not included in Oracle? Like, is there any
Oracle is not selling. No, sorry, SAP is not selling their products to Oracle. Oracle is ready to buy.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Who are ready to sell, they purchased. Who has some piece as a best, Oracle purchased from them. They took into this Fusion. If SAP is ready to sell, Oracle may be ready to buy. But anyway, they have ultimate product in their hand now. Any other questions, please? Okay. No questions. This is what we have to understand. Fusion means everything is best. How everything is best? These all are not owned by Oracle. Oracle purchased. What is best in which product? Just they purchased. And the best, all the best solutions, they combined and they created a product called as Fusion. These are original products from the different products. These solutions originally from the legacy of different other products. But Oracle purchased and they released as a Fusion. Now in the Fusion, every solution is the best because they purchased and they selected into Fusion. Now we'll see what is the meaning of cloud. When you look at our course name, Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials Application. We are very clear about Oracle Fusion Finance and Application. We should understand what is the meaning of cloud. So what does it mean by cloud? Cloud means cloud. Always we see the cloud. So that is very lightweight. It can move very easily. Okay. It's very lightweight and it can fly. The same way, your applications also can fly. How these clouds can fly. Your applications also can have that movement, the flexibility to move in the same way. Your applications also, however, clouds are lightweight. Your applications also can have lightweight. Something is heavy that should be on the earth, not in the sky. Since it is light, it is there somewhere on top. The same way, the applications what we are using, if you want to use any applications, what you have to do is, you have to buy the server. Here, let me explain by taking a simple example. If you want to use Oracle applications for your company, you have to buy your server, you have to place in specific country or location, and you have to take the license for all those applications. And to install all those applications, you need DBA, Fusion Apps DBA, and installation should be done. They have to take care of networking, security, and admin roles. And they should take care of the maintenance of the server. They have to upgrade. When Oracle is going to come up with the latest features, the Fusion applications, they have to upgrade. These all need to be managed by a company. Here I took example. The company name is XYZ Inc. They want to use Oracle Fusion applications. They want to use Oracle Fusion applications So they will have their own server, they take the license for Fusion applications, they'll get the DB, and this all need to be taken care by them. And the server they have to place in some location. Say, for example, they place a server in USA. So this kind of environment we call as on-premise. Means the server will be in your premises. You may keep in India or US, you will be keeping in your office. You just go and keep the server in so and so room. You may call it as server room. All your applications will be inside of the server. The server should be up and running all the time. Okay, the server should be up and running. You need server, you need license, you need DBAs, and everything should be taken care. You have to invest a lot. For server, you have to spend a lot of amount, and you have to take the license for Fusion application. You have to spend a lot to take care of the server and the products installation maintenance. You need DBAs, and they have to install. They have to take care of all these and the maintenance. If DBA is not available, if server will go down, that's all. You have to wait till the DBA will come and up the server. Till that time, you cannot access that server to use your Fusion applications. If any changes Oracle is doing, if you want to use the changes or benefits, you have to upgrade that entire server so that you can start using. This model, you call it as on-premise. In your premises, you will have a server. Within the server, you will have applications. So these days almost gone. Okay, these days always gone, already gone. Most of the people, what they are doing is, if they want to use Fusion applications, they are not buying the server. They are not taking the license. They are not deploying the DBAs and network admins, and they are not worrying about server maintenance and all. Just they are paying and they are using. For your company, if you want to use Oracle applications, Oracle Fusion applications, what you can do is, what do you want? You need financials, you need supply chain management applications, and you need HCM, human capital management applications. You need finance, you need SCM, you need HCM. These three product families you want to use for your company. Now, what you can do is, don't buy the server, don't take license, no DBS, nothing. Pay to Oracle as some amount as a subscription fee. You tell them how long you need. You need for 5 years. Later, you may extend it. 5 years, I have 100 business users who will be using these applications, and these are the applications I need. You pay that amount. Oracle will give you the access to the applications. Those applications are managed by Oracle. You no need to buy the server. You no need to get the DBA, no license, just subscription. So it's very easy. You pay some amount, use it. How long you require, use it. It is like taking car for rent. If you want to travel in the car from one place to another place, buying car and traveling and using that car is totally different from taking car for rent. Whenever you need car, take on rent and use for maybe a couple of hours or 1 or 2 days, and done. On demand. Whenever you need, use the services. If you need car, maybe in a week, 1 day or 2 days, you may not buy the car. It will cost you a lot. So you can take the car for rent and you can use it. In the same way, if you want to use Oracle Fusion applications, you no need to buy the server. This is all you no need to do. Huge investment. So you want to use Oracle Fusion applications maybe for 20 years. So for now, you take the subscription for 2 years. After 2 years, again, you can take. So what Oracle is doing is, Oracle is providing virtual servers. These are the virtual servers. If you talk about this physical server, the server you have to place in specific location, country. But in the cloud computing, there is a concept called as virtualization. With the virtualization, by using the big server, big machine, the companies can create virtual servers. So big servers can be in the specific location, the virtual servers where they can place within the internet. For virtual server, source would be internet. If I ask you where is your server, you can say it is there in USA. If somebody is using Oracle virtual servers, if I ask them where is your server, they says my server is in the cloud. Cloud means here the meaning is internet. For any company, if they want to use Fusion applications, the Fusion applications, Oracle can create virtual server. They can give that virtual server to that company. Wherever they do the business, they'll keep that server available. Say you are doing the business in USA, India, and UAE. If you take example here in your own server, for US people who are working from US, they easily can connect to the server since server is in USA. But the people who are from India, if they are trying to connect to the server, it's quite far away. Of course, it could be only network, but there will be huge distance. And from UAE also, they have to connect to the server which is residing in the USA. And when people are trying to connect to that server from India and USA, the request what they are submitting, the server, the time what it is taking to respond, it may not be great experience. But if you are doing business in 3 countries, if your server is there in the 3 countries, that is really great. Yes, you can have a separate servers, but not separate server, same server should be available. That is possible in the cloud. Say, for example, this is a server Oracle is allocating for this company, XYZ. They are doing the business in 3 countries. So in the 3 countries, the same server, virtual server, they'll keep available in the 3 countries data centers. They'll have their data center, the cloud computing company. Now Oracle also one of the cloud computing company. So Oracle acquired cloud companies also. Now they are claiming they are one of the big cloud computing vendor in the market. So by using the virtual server concept, they will keep available your server to be available in your country through their data centers and with the concept called as virtual server, which is created through virtualization. You take simple example, we are using WhatsApp. When you tap WhatsApp, you could see immediate response. It is like it is there in your mobile only. That is a virtual server. Okay, that WhatsApp application they are keeping in the virtual server. If you are connecting to WhatsApp from US, within the US, they can have their data center. Within the data center, within the virtual server, they'll keep the WhatsApp application. And again, within the country, they can keep that virtual servers in the multiple data centers also. That totally depends on the traffic, how much they have. Whatever you are using, the Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, okay, Twitter, Gmail, anything you take, these all are not in physical servers. Those are not there in so-and-so server. Those all are virtual servers. If you are connecting to Facebook from India, you are not going to connect to Facebook, which is sitting in the US location in the US servers. No. If you are connecting to Facebook from Hyderabad, you think their virtual server is there in Hyderabad, which is supported by data center. So you might have noticed few years ago, if you connect to any application, it will respond saying that please wait, we are fetching the data for you, this and that. Some it will be rotating, because those all are physical servers, this concept. These days, anything you tap, it is ready, because all are maintained in the virtual servers. So that's how our Fusion applications also Oracle is providing with virtual servers. If any company wants to use Fusion applications, they no need to maintain the Fusion application in their own servers. They can use Oracle provided virtual servers. If you are using the Fusion applications with the help of Oracle provided virtual servers, that's what you call as a cloud. It's very simple. Whatever the applications, the Fusion applications, whatever you are using for your company, those applications are there in your own server, call it as Fusion applications. If the Fusion applications are there in the virtual servers, you include the term called as cloud. So in own server, Fusion applications. In Oracle servers, Fusion cloud applications. Cloud means those are there in the virtual server as internet as a source. You can say wherever you have internet, your server is ready there. It is supported by the country's specific data centers. That is the meaning of cloud. Cloud means if you are using anything through virtual servers, that we call as a cloud. Okay, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud. Okay, many clouds are there. These all are the concepts. They use the virtual servers. The virtual server concept, not physical servers. They create virtual servers for you and they'll keep available in the internet with the help of their data centers, which are very close to you, wherever you are, near to you, wherever they have a data centers that will support forever great experience when you use those applications. That is the meaning of cloud. So that is the meaning of cloud. Any questions here to understand the meaning of cloud, please? No questions. If any company is going to use Oracle Fusion cloud applications, it could be finance or SCM or HCM, anything. There are three options from any cloud company. Now let's talk about our Oracle only. From Oracle, we have three options. If I am running the company, if I want to use Fusion applications, I can use from Oracle side, these three options are there. If I want to use the Fusion applications, I can have two options. Those are SaaS and PaaS. I want to use Fusion Financials, Fusion Cloud Financials for my company. If I want to use Fusion Financials for my company, I may choose SaaS or PaaS. When I can use SaaS, when I can use PaaS. Let's try to understand this point. If I'm running the company, if I want to use Fusion Financials, or you can say Fusion Cloud Financials, hope you got the meaning of cloud. If you are using the applications with the help of Oracle servers, include cloud. That's it. Where your applications are deployed, your applications are there in your own server, don't include cloud. Your applications are there in Oracle server, include cloud. That's it. The applications wise, there is no difference. Only the difference is where those are sitting in your own server, Oracle server. That's it. So what is the meaning of SaaS? SaaS stands for software as a service. In case of SaaS, what are the finance applications Oracle is providing? You have to use them as it is. You have to use them as it is. If you want to create the new reports, you can create. If you want to create the connection with another applications, you can create. That we call as interfaces, integration. So you are using Oracle Fusion applications and you are going to use some other applications also. The other applications you want to connect with the Fusion application is possible in case of SaaS. If you are a SaaS customer, when you use Oracle Finance, Oracle Cloud applications, it may not be financials or anything else. If you are using Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, if you are going to use SaaS, yes, you can create the new reports. Certain reports Oracle is providing, but additional reports you can create whatever you want. You can connect any other application with the Fusion applications. You see here, say for example, you have Oracle AP and your client is using Workday HCM. Workday is a separate product. For HCM solution, they are using Workday. They want to send the data from here to here. Okay, or from here to some other application. Then you can connect this application with Oracle application. The connection we call as customization. The customization, through customization, what you are doing, you are connecting. If you are connecting, Means you are creating a new connection, we call as customization. That is what type of customization? Interface. Connecting one application with another application, we call as interface. That you can do always by creating something. Creating something in the application, we call as customization. When you talk about customization, you may create new report, you may create new page, you may create interface, connection. These are all you call as customizations or call as developments. So we get everything in the product Oracle provides. Anything else you want to create, you can create. Whatever you create, that we call as customization. You may create new report, or you may create new page, or you may create new interface, new connection between the two applications. Within Oracle Fusion applications, you don't need to create any connections. If client is going to use some different applications, you may create the connection that you call as interface. These all we call as customizations. But if you are using the SaaS, okay, if you are using the SaaS for your company, so you can create reports and you can create interfaces, but pages are not possible in case of SaaS. If you want to create the pages also, that is possible in the past. In the past, you can create the report pages, or you can create the new applications also. And if you are a SaaS customer, if Oracle is going to come up with a few new features, your environment can be upgraded automatically. You no need to do any additional activities. Any new changes, Oracle will apply to your SaaS environment. If you are a PaaS customer, since you are doing many customizations like page creation, application creation, your environment cannot be upgraded with the latest version or release automatically. No auto upgrade. It is not automatic. You have to do through manual process. That is the difference. In simple words, what you can say very high level. In SaaS, you cannot do customization. In PaaS, you can do. Yes, you can do in the SaaS also, but reports and interfaces. In PaaS, not only reports and interfaces, you can create new pages and new applications also. Another difference is here your SaaS environment can be automatically upgraded to latest. That is not possible here automatic. You have to do it through manual process. IaaS is nothing but storage space. No applications you can find here. You can buy the storage space. Within that, you can maintain whatever you want to maintain. So IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. Here platform means to do the customizations, they will provide one platform. Oracle will give the privilege to create new pages and new applications. That is special in the PaaS. Simply you can say the difference between SaaS and PaaS is in PaaS you can do the customizations. Here primarily customizations means they can create new pages and new applications. In case of SaaS, customizations are not possible, but kind of customizations, those are reports and interfaces you can create. So many clients, I can say more than 95% of the clients are using SaaS only because the product is very, very stabilized when you talk about finance. So very few clients are going with the PaaS who has to do some customizations as per their business requirement. Whatever Oracle is providing, if that is not enough, those need to be created, maybe 1%, 2%. So for that, they will go with the PaaS. And the customization should be done by technical consultant. We never touch customizations. New report or new interface or new page or new application, technical people has to take care of it. Being a functional consultant, we never do any customization. The customization job goes to technical consultant bucket. So this is what we have to understand about SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. More than 95% clients are using SaaS only. Very, very few clients are using PaaS who wants to do some customizations. This is what you have to understand about the different cloud options or models. If any company is going to implement Fusion applications, they choose SaaS or PaaS. Most of the clients are using SaaS only. Very, very few clients are using PaaS. IaaS, you forget about it. No applications you can find inside of it. Only in SaaS and PaaS only you can find our Fusion applications, or say Fusion cloud applications, because when you say SaaS and PaaS, these are related to cloud. These are referring cloud only. So when you say cloud, you have to include the term called as cloud within the name. So that's how you can call. If you take example of our course name is Oracle Fusion Financials. Yes, if you are using your own server, you can call as Oracle Fusion Financials. If you are using Oracle server, include the term called as cloud. Oracle Fusion, where is your server? Where is your application in the Oracle server? Then include cloud. Cloud Financials. Both are same. But where you have those applications in your own server, call as Oracle Fusion Finance. In Oracle server, call it as Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials. The companies who are using this cloud, it could be SaaS or PaaS, they will have many benefits. They no need to invest for server infrastructure, no DBAs, no maintenance, everything Oracle will take. You pay and use. Okay, you pay and use as you go. You can pay accordingly and you can start using. You may increase the user base, how many people are working. So upfront, you don't need to invest anything. You don't need to take care of anything. You don't need to buy the headaches. So Oracle will run all the servers. What are the applications you want to use for your company? Use it. This is all about the meaning of cloud and different subscription options. These are the different subscription options or cloud options or cloud models, you can say. Those are SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. So this is all about the cloud options. These are the two which companies can use. This is nothing storage space. You can buy the space and you can store something in this space. And most of the clients are using SaaS. Very few clients are using PaaS. The difference is here you can do any kind of customization. Here you cannot do any kind of customization. Very limited reports and interfaces you can create. The rest, whatever Oracle is providing, those applications you can use as it is. Here also you can use as it is. Along with that, you can do some changes also. So that is a big difference between these two. Any questions here, please? Any questions from anyone, please?
Lakshman, is there any company which is using both Fusion Financials as well as cloud? Like take example, any large company which they wanted to place any server in the company.
Can you
itself.
repeat your question? Any company? What you
Okay.
mentioned?
So is there any company which is using, as you told, right, Oracle Fusion Financials and cloud financials? So companies are using both, right?
No. If somebody is using, they will use same. But sometimes, okay, it's a very rare. Say they are running the business in 100 countries. Okay, maybe long back, 3, 4, 5 years back, they might have implemented Fusion Financials on their own server. Maybe for 5 countries they implemented. For remaining 95 countries, they want to implement Fusion Finance. Now they may choose for remaining countries cloud. Slowly they will move from on-premise to cloud for remaining 5 countries which already they implemented. This is how they'll make a plan. So in such kind of scenarios, you may have a case where for few countries they are running on their own server with their own kind of
server setup, everything,
etc. On-premise model. For rest of countries, it could be cloud.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Slowly they'll move to cloud. Otherwise, so everything will be separate. For 5 countries, data would be separate. Remaining 90 countries data would be in the single database.
Got it.
Yeah. Any other questions, please? Okay. So if any company going to use these Fusion applications, they'll get the access to that applications. That environment we call as instance. Okay. That environment we call as instance. So if you talk about any company, by default, they get access to 2 environments. Okay, 2 environments. One is, here I mentioned one. One is test environment. Second one is production environment. This you can call as instance or environment, or you can call as a pod also. Pod, you have iPod, which is lightweight. The same way, since these are cloud environments, you can call as a pod. Instance, environment, pod, you can call with any name. Say there is a company called as XYZ Inc. They want to use Oracle Fusion applications for their company. They get two instances, test instance and production instance. That's all by default. If they want to have additional instances, they can pay and they can get from Oracle. So that they may use for development purpose. Development instance, in short, you can call as dev instance. So a client is using PaaS solution, PaaS subscription. PaaS means they can do the customize. Since they want to do customizations, they gone for PaaS. So they don't want to do kind of customizations in the test instance. Test instance, ideally, we can use for testing purpose. The production is the one, the real instance. This is the one client will use once implementation is completed. Before we complete the implementation, everything we have to test in this. The company data will enter here, will test. We are able to create a supplier, we are able to create a customer, and we are able to create invoice, payment, bank account, this and that. Everything we will test and will show to the client and will take their acceptance. That's how we use it for testing purpose. Once everything is finalized, you do everything in the production instance. This is the one client will use. We should not touch. Once they start using this instance, they will enter the real data. But this always you can enter anything for testing purpose, we can use it. And if you are using development instance, within this instance, you can create the new reports and you can create new interfaces and you can create the new pages or new applications. Once you create here, you can test within this. If those are working, those you can move from development to production. If your company, your client is not going to use the development instance, the new reports, new interfaces, if required, so new pages and applications also you can create in the test instance only. Those you can move from test to production. Mostly the test instance used by functional consultants. Development instance can be used by technical consultants. Okay, that is a purpose. This is for functional. This is for technical purpose. If client is not going to use development instance, the test instance can be used by technical and functional consultants. Technical people, they do all the setups, they'll be testing. Okay, functional people, they do all the setups, they will be testing. Technical consultants, they can create something new and they can test. Once everything is finalized, it could be technical or functional, everything will move to production. That is for the client. So this is how you can find three different kind of environments. These are the very standard environments we use in every project. So test, production is the key. And you may use development instance also. Test instance, development instance, production. In short, development instance we can call as dev instance. Production instance we can call as prod instance. If you don't want to call it as instance, call it as environment, or you can call as a POD pod. So any client is going to subscribe Fusion applications, they'll get access to this instance. They'll get access to this instance. Any questions on this, please?
Hi, Lakshman. This is Raghu.
Yeah.
Yeah, this regarding this test environment, actually we can do playback sessions or CRPs.
Anything, any purpose you can.
Anything.
It's open.
Yeah.
Use for anything
Yeah.
other than real transactions. Real transactions always in this. You can have 1,000 different purposes, use it. That's all.
But the thing is, when we do SIT or UAT, means some clients we have to do both SIT, UAT. In that scenario, does Oracle refresh that instance?
Yes.
Or,
you ask Oracle, they will refresh. They will clean it.
Okay, right. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Here always, if any instance related support, Oracle will provide.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to copy the data from this instance to this instance, you copy. You want to copy the data from here to here, here to here, yes, contact Oracle, they'll do it.
Okay. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Yeah, setups we can copy. As being a functional consultant, setups we can copy. I'll talk about it. Okay. Say you did all the setups in the test instance, you want to move to production. Yes, we can do it. But transaction data and all means that should be done by Oracle. Any other questions, please? Any questions from anyone? Cool. No questions. So in tomorrow's session, what we will do is we will access to the instance. Okay, we will access the instance and we'll see how we can, within instance, like when you get access to instance as a part of implementation, what we have to do, we will see in the tomorrow instance. And along with these instances, Oracle can provide to any client. Apart from that, Oracle also provides instance called as vision instance. This is for training and practice purpose. Why we are calling this instance as a vision? Oracle provides sample data within this instance. The sample data they are providing with a company name called as vision. That is the reason they are calling as a vision instance. This vision instance, Oracle never provides to any clients. This they'll provide to their channel partners, like companies like Wipro, Infosys. They do the implementations. They do the implementations for clients since they are all our Oracle partners. So for such kind of companies, Oracle provides this vision instance. Vision instance is not at all for clients. This is for consulting companies. Okay. So internally for the people training purpose, learning purpose, this can be used. The difference between these instances and this instance is in any one of the instance, you don't find sample data, no sample data, everything you have to create from the scratch. In this instance, you will have a sample data, but you can create everything from the scratch also. If you want to use the sample data, use it for your testing and all, or else everything you can create from the scratch. How we can do the setups and everything from these instances, in these instances, the same you can do in the vision instance. Okay. So vision instance, you can have a sample data with the company name called as vision, and other instances, these all are used by clients. This is not used by client. This is used by consulting companies. They may use this instance for their internal training purpose and other purposes. So this is what we have to understand about instances. This is what you can call as landscape of instances. How instances can be managed, what type, these all we call as landscape of instances. In tomorrow's session, we will see, like, once you get, if you are in the project, if you get access to instance, how to go about it, what you have to do as a first step, second step, third step. So these points we will discuss in the tomorrow session, and we will work on the instance. So as I mentioned in the yesterday session, maybe initial 4 or 5 classes, we are going to spend very limited time, max 1 hour. After 5 classes, yes, we'll stretch to 1 hour 30 minutes every day, which is our actual plan. So today also I'm just stopping here. It's almost 8 o'clock. We started around 7 o'clock. So even tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. Okay. So till Friday. Okay. 3 more days we are going to run the sessions, only 1 hour from Monday. From 10th onwards. So we will spend 1 hour 30 minutes for sure. Okay, this is a plan. You can plan accordingly from your side also. So we are done for today. If you have any questions, please stay back. We will discuss related to this course or whatever we discussed yesterday or today. Any sort of questions, if you have, please stay back. We are done for today. So we will catch up tomorrow same time. Thank you all. Any questions, please?
Lakshman just wanted to know, is there any batch that is starting in the morning?
Morning, not now, maybe after 1 month. Start
Because I am
next
in
month.
Doha and I'm starting at 4 p.m. Your batch starts, and that is my working hour.
Okay, got it. What you can do is, if possible, yes, you are clearly mentioning, yes, I do understand. If possible, you can attend these classes. Otherwise, you can take the videos. Since you decided to do this course, you take the videos and play in your free time, and you'll get access instance. You can start practicing. And whenever you start the new batch, you can be part of it. By the time you will complete maybe one round, at least a few videos.
Yeah.
So then when you attend the live classes in the morning, by the time you will get ready with some stuff. So things will become very, very easy for you when it comes to learning. You may
True.
plan in that way. See, whatever
Yeah.
classes you can catch, even if you are in the
Yeah.
office or somewhere, when you get 10-15 minutes time, you can tap in the video, your mobile phone by standing here and there also you can listen if possible and if you are okay with that. But full-fledged classes you may attend from the next batch. Till the time you can subscribe and you can get the videos and you can start playing. Whenever we start the new batch in the morning, as you mentioned, our team will intimate you. Accordingly, you can connect.
Okay. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Yeah, thanks. Any other questions from anyone, please?
Lakshman, I have another question. So
Yes.
as part of this course, so do we get an backend access as well?
Yes,
Like to
you will
check
get
the-
backend access. You can write SQL queries. As a
Hmm.
part of our course, I'll show you from where you can write SQL queries. You cannot connect to database from third-party tools, what we do in EBS, like or something else. So within the cloud environment, they are giving one separate panel. From the panel, you can go and write SQL queries.
Okay. So in EBS, we used to use
tools.
the Toad applications.
Some third-party tools like
Yes.
Code or something else you can use, but here that is not possible. Within the environment only, you have to do that.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'll show just from where you can write SQL queries, that I'll cover, that I mentioned as a part of course curriculum.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Fine. Any other questions? No questions. Great. If no questions, we can wrap up for today. We'll connect tomorrow same time. Thank you all. Have a great day and good night.
Thank you.
Hello, Lakshman.
Yeah. Please.
Yes, Armu.
Yes.
I have one question.
Please.
Regarding BA, anything you will cover in this training?
Regarding?
BA.
See, BA is technical part. BA is technical part. Just now we discussed one point, right? I'll take you through where you can write the SQL query. The place is BA only. Within the BA report definition only, they give an option to write SQL query. There is no separate place also. So if you know already BA reports and all, how to develop the BA reports, just I'll take you through the navigation from where you can develop the BA reports. Then you will be able to do it. If you are planning to learn BA reports, that you don't learn from our classes. The pure technical, we know, right? Developing BA reports, the pure technical, which is the job of technical. Here we are not going to cover because it's not functional. But I'll take you through the navigation and all. If you are aware of how to create the BA reports prior to this, I mean, an EBS or somewhere else, yes, here also you can do that. I'll show you the path.
Okay, and one more question regarding certification.
Yeah.
You will provide dump for any finance modules?
Okay. No questions. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.